What's up, you guys? Eddie at Fliptroniks. I'm going to be helping anybody out there that's experiencing iPhone 10 battery drain. Okay, so this is one of the most frustrating problems to run into with any phone that you own. I'm going to be giving 5 different tips that are going to help you, pretty much get rid of this problem immediately. Okay, so my first tip is going to be to delete Facebook off your iPhone. The reason is that having Facebook going throughout the day kills about 17% of your battery life. That's pretty significant. This is because of background app refresh and constant notification updates that happen with it. If you don't want to delete Facebook, then at least turn off the notifications and background app refresh for the app and just kind of check it manually. That would be my first tip. Okay, the next thing you want to do is head over to your settings, scroll down to where it says battery, and get a good look at what's killing your battery life the most. It'll pull up pretty much any apps that you've got going on in here. You can see I've got like Happy Chick, Safari, YouTube, whatever. If you find out that there's certain apps or games that you're not really using anymore, but they're starting to kill your battery, just delete them. I mean, get rid of them if you're not using them. I mean, it's just going to be better in the long run anyways. All right, so another thing you need to do is turn off background app refresh. This is a huge killer. It's always been with iPhones. So what you want to do is go into General, search for background app refresh, and you can do this manually where you turn off the apps from refreshing in the background, or you can just turn it off completely up here, which is something I kind of recommend doing. I mean, this is a huge battery killer. Along with that, obviously, you want to turn off notifications too. Notifications, definitely will kill your battery life as well, because they're looking for, kind of along the same lines of the background app refresh. The apps are constantly looking to give you notifications. This just kind of kills your battery, like I said, just a little by little throughout the day. Okay, so I'm not going to do any of the stupid ones like turn down the brightness or turn off Wi-Fi. I mean, these are things that you kind of need to have going all the time. You can always check for an iOS update. Those always, help a little bit. The thing that everybody out there needs to understand is iPhones use lithium-ion batteries. So, I mean, what these are made with are the same thing as like a laptop battery. The longer you've owned your iPhone for, the more your battery deteriorates and it starts to, lose a charge pretty much faster, pretty much right after you get the phone and charge it for the first time. Over time, it's going to, slowly get weaker and weaker. Now, my biggest tip, other than the ones I just gave you, is to pick up a power bank. It's 2018. These accessories are pretty much the best investment you can make in any kind of like cell phone accessory right now. This one I've got right here is from Anker. They're one of the best right now for power banks. I mean, probably one of the leaders right now too for them. But anyways, this one's small enough to keep in your pocket. It's small enough to fit in the palm of your hand. So these basically allow you to get a charge while on the go, like any time throughout the day. You could throw it in your pocket. You could put it in a cup holder in your car. I mean, you could pretty much throw it anywhere. That's my biggest recommendation. You want to have one of these on you pretty much all the time, or just make it like really easily accessible, having one around. I'm going to leave a link in the description, the top of it, which is going to show my top five power bank recommendations and the ones that I own. So I'll have that in the top of the description. Definitely check that out, but also use the tips I gave you for some of the things you can turn off, and obviously check what's killing your battery in the settings as well. Anyways, I hope that helps everybody out. I also hope you understand that these batteries do get worse over time the longer you own your iPhone, and having a power bank is definitely a really good way to combat the problem. All right, so anyways, if you could also hit the like and share button on this, I definitely appreciate that. Anybody out there who has not subscribed to us, hit that subscribe, and we'll see you guys later.